Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed, and in this episode I will give you the brief introductions about the medicinal importance, the other uses of the Salix babylonica. Before going to describe this plant, the importance of this plant, I request you to subscribe the Miracle Herbal Diversity, to press the bell icon to get the notification about the diversity of the plants. We are going to discuss about the Salix babylonica. It is a tree which is commonly known as a weeping willow. In Urdu, in Hindi, in Tib, it is called as a Bede Majnu. And it belongs to family Salicaceae. It is a dioecious, medium to large size tree. So the flowers are commonly known as, the inflorescence is known as a catkin, male catkin and female catkin. While the male catkin, you see the sprouting and the pollens they are produced from the male catkin. Salix babylonica is a native to the northern China, and it is commonly cultivated in the Southwest Asia. In Pakistan, India and South Asia, it is cultivated along the riverside, along the river canals, along the water bodies. So this plant is a water-loving tree. So the flowers, the catkins are very good source of the honeybee collection. The both types of the honeybee, that is the small honeybee and a large honeybee, visit the pollen and nectar to collect the pollens to prepare the good quality honey from this plant. These are the male catkins that you see the sprouting in this spring season. So this plant is basically the deciduous tree, because at the end of the growing season, the leaves and the flowers are fall downs. But in the spring, it again sprouts. You see the yellowish granules-like structures known as pollen. The leaves are lanceolate. The lanceolate are the type of the leaves which are broader in the middle while tapering toward the points. This is a small leaf-like structure that arises from the axil of leaves. This is called as stipule. So this plant is stipulate, and the family is known as stipulate family. It is the bark of Salix babylonica. The infusion of this bark is mainly used for the fever. The infusion is also recommended for the diarrhea and dysentery. The bark is medicinally very important because the salicylic acid, active ingredients, are a chemical compound present in this bark. This salicylic acid is mainly used by the pharmaceutical industries to prepare the medicines that is called as aspirin, dispirin. The leaves of the Salix babylonica are also medicinally important. The decoction of the leaves is recommended for the backache, joint pain and rheumatism. The beauty of this plant that the branches are dropping towards the ground. So this attracts the eyesight, to attract the human beings. It's a good tree with respect to the ornamental. I request you to subscribe this channel, to press the bell icon to get the notification about the plant diversity, where you get a lot of information about the diversity of the plant, either used for the food, either used for the medicines, either used for the energy.